I voted no, and I'm feeling like they're continually trying to give us the bare minimum, and it's ridiculous. We all have families to feed. That's how I feel.
I still voted to reject the contract just because I feel like I would like a larger wage increase. I think the way they have it set up to get 12%, then 8% over the course of 4 years it's kind of dumb.
We will stand for the demands that our members need to get a contract that they can respect, that shows the respect that they deserve. There's much more work to do. We will push to get back to the table. We will push for the members' demands as quickly as we can, and we remain on strike. Thank you.